It's the SNJ that served for about a dozen years down here in Pensacola at Whiting Field. It is my pleasure to present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Aeroshell Aerobatic Team. Now, as the team sets up for their next maneuver, this will be a chance for you to have your cameras on video to get their signature maneuver. The four pilots, Mark Hinton, Brian Regan, Steve Gustafson, and Gene McNeely, are setting up for what is known as the downward bomb burst. Let's watch as they come through show center. Cameras rolling. Let's get it. Smoke coming on in just a second.